Start by unwrapping the seat shield from its integrated storage bag. Place the front seat shield on the seat. Push the tube pouch anchor in the crease between the seat back and the seat bottom. Wrap the skirt around the seat bottom and place the bottom strap underneath the seat. Install the headrest strap then wrap the waist strap and the back strap around the seat. Locate and pull the bottom strap out from beneath the seat. Wrap the waist strap around the seat, place it through the loop in the bottom strap and connect the buckle. Wrap the back strap around the seat and connect the buckle. There are tri-glides located in the headrest strap, back strap, waist strap, and bottom strap that can be used to adjust the seat shield to tailor the fit to suit your vehicle. To remove your seat shield for cleaning and storage, unclip the headrest strap, back strap, and waist strap. Storing an Optimus Gear Seat Shield in its integrated storage bag is easy. Follow along to see how.